Everyone's waiting for the perfect time to buy a home.
Here's what most buyers miss. Right now, many Florida markets have more homes for sale than buyers.
That means more opportunity and a lot less competition. Instead of getting stuck in bidding wars, you may actually have room to negotiate.
Sellers may help with closing costs or buy down your rate to lower your monthly payment.
Those savings can add up to thousands of dollars.
Worried about the upfront costs? There are programs that may help. First-time buyer grants, VA loans for veterans, and Florida Hometown Heroes for qualifying professionals like teachers, nurses, and first responders.
The right home might be more within reach than you think. If you've been thinking about buying,
now is the time to explore what's possible. Waiting on the sidelines could mean missing the window entirely.
I'm Dominic Andrula, Realtor with eXp Realty. Let's talk. Give me a call at 561-345-1082. Your next chapter could start right here.